Namaste guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a vlog which I shot on 12th August 2020. That was my mama's birthday and I am shooting it right now as a voiceover, or we can say just a cover up or introduction for that video, because there was iPhone 7 का technical glitch on that video, so उसकी वजह से I was not able to record the audio. I have all the clips. I have tried my best to capture everything. I know that video is not good quality, but it's memory for me and I want that to post just for me, so just take that into consideration. And yeah, I'll just give you a backstory. So basically I wanted to bake a cake for mama on her birthday, but we didn't have oven first of all, and whatever ingredients I wanted were not available at that point of time. Obviously it was the COVID ka lockdown, so it was very difficult to find all the baking items at that point of time. So I plan to make burgers. So yeah, that's what I did. I went Mulund. वहाँ से I picked all the burger patties, burger tikki and everything, and also ingredients whatever I needed from the mall, because that was at least that was available, which I am super grateful for. Like वो टाइम पे मुझे मिल गया, because I was like I wanna do something special, I want to cook. So yeah, I got that all the ingredients वहाँ से मैं लेके आई. Then next day रात को हम केक लेके आए थे, and so the crazy story of cake was obviously because of the COVID situation, cakes were not being delivered via Swiggy, so we had to go literally at 11:45, literally 1 kilometer away at night, because Swiggy cancelled order at 11:45. कौन cancel करता है? Like पहले तुम ना बोल देते. So this was the situation which happened with me, and my brother ran, went to Hangouts. हमारे एरिया में it's a cake shop. You must all be aware of Hangouts. So we went there. Luckily the cake was available and we got the cake on time. We were like on the top speed. I know it's not safe, but we were on top speed and we just wanted to make sure कि cake cutting हो जाए at least. Yeah, so we called mama के friends. They also came. You can see. I'll obviously पीछे बोलते बोलते I'll keep the videos going on. Yeah, so mama ke friends came. We just did cake cutting, happy birthday, and yeah, next day we did cooking, and yeah, I loved the burger which I made. I'm a good cook, by the way. Also we make gulab jamun, guys. Gulab jamun are one of my favorite, and on that day we made that also. That was also special. I learned for the first time, so pat on me first time में ही हमने अच्छा कर लिया. So yeah, that was the story. तब तक you can enjoy the video. Okay, so I've come to Mulund and I'm buying few stuff for mom, and I'm gonna vlog everything, like making cake. I don't think I'm gonna make cake, but जो भी मैं बनाने वाली I'm gonna vlog everything. So it's super hot. Anyways, I took 12 burger buns and patties. Now I'm just finding lettuce. I hope मुझे मिल जाए. So I think I'm done then, because दूसरा सब मैंने ले लिया. So let's hope for the best.
This is the day 12th of August and I wanted to make beautiful desserts for mama. Obviously cake was not possible, so we opted for Indian dessert, that's gulab jamun. Yes, they are my favorite and I was taking mom का assistance. I know birthday के दिन mom को kitchen में नहीं लेके आना चाहिए था, but guys, I didn't want to make a mess because this was my first time. And yeah, got these cute balls and fried them. One thing I learned, Indian desserts are not easy, guys. Like they need so much of patience. Like you cannot keep them on high heat वरना जल जाएंगे, and low heat में वो लोग अंदर से कच्चे रह जाते हैं. So for this perfect brown color, we need the patience. And चाशनी बाजू में रख दी है मम्मा ने to keep the sweetness, वो जो इसमें डिप किया जाता है. So I'm just taking all my time for all the gulab jamun. It took a lot of time, but it was worth every minute. Literally, they were so delicious. Yes, I burned, let's be honest, few of them. But then at the end, ant bhala to sab bhala. I got like yummy, delicious. You can see golden brown gulab jamuns end mein, so they were good. You can see them, and then mom dipped them all the balls in the chasni ताकि वो अच्छे से सिरप कोट हो जाए और सक कर ले पूरा सा सिरप. एंड देन वी लिटरली garnished it with beautiful kesar. Yeah, the flavor was so good after this. Like little bit of this gave this dish amazing touch. Then we went for burgers. I got the patties, so I was just frying them and then started to assemble them slowly. So I'm just frying them. These are the buns which I got. These are from English Oven, I guess so. And I just put a little bit of mayonnaise and toasted them. Mayonnaise was also store bought. This was nothing great which I made. So yeah, so just beautifully putting all the goodness of mayonnaise. This was tandoori mayonnaise, I guess so. I'll put all the details which products I use in the description box, so if you want to make it at home. I'm just taking the top bun aside and we'll assemble now a good patty. It's an aloo patty, it's not anything non-veg. And 2 tomato slices, as you can see. प्यारे से slices हमने डाल दिए. And I was super excited for lettuce. I know I love crunch in my burgers, so I wanted this badly. Like मैंने इतना ढूंढा तब जाके मुझे मिला था because it was COVID. And beautiful slices. Then we top it with the top bun. And guys, here is our burger. I hope you enjoyed.
Okay, so I hope you liked the video and my memories. I just wanted to make sure कि it's on my YouTube channel. I know it's not like super detailed or super interactive, but I made sure कि मैं हर एक चीज़ उसमें capture कर लूँ, which I did, and it will be on my YouTube channel. Also, one very big life update is coming up on my YouTube channel and in my life actually. So I'm gonna update you about it once it's all done. I'm nervous for it, I'm excited for it, I'm emotional for it. It's very big step of my life which is gonna happen. One of the biggest step. So yeah, it's gonna happen. I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned to my videos, my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe button below. Don't forget to like if you loved my mama ka beautiful smile. Don't forget to comment like, was it worth it to post? I know it was not that great, but at least worth it tha ki nahi. Please comment and obviously share if you want to. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye. Tada.